so to the heat final. Gravity reaching this stage of the competition by tossing 7 Seas 13 Black out, and Lightning at the end of a tactical battle, sending Thor back to the land of the longboats. The heat final. Gravity from Holland against Lightning from Essex.
So, what are your tactics going to be in this final?
Just get in, flip him, get him out.
You reckon you could do him?
Probably.
They really are the bad boys of War 7, these lot. It is the Gravity boys. Good luck in that arena.
Thanks.
How are your nerves standing up, young man?
Not bad. I'm chilling out, doing all right, and I think we can take him. We've got a very low front edge.
You all through to the final?
Yes, we are.
How are you feeling? What do you think of the other team?
Well, I think they're a bit cocky, and we're going to knock them out.
So, who'll reign supreme and who'll get creamed? This is the heat final!
Lightning boys here to knock 'em out. Laurie Calvert, Richard Desmet and Albert Schuller making up that team. Good team too.
Gravity.
Let's look at the high ground clearance at the back. Will that be a weakness for the Gravity team from Holland? WJ Alexson Jerome.
Roboteers, stand by.
Into the war zone for the house robots, Shunt. And there's Dead Metal. First time we've seen the metal one tonight.
3, 2, 1.
Terrific tussle in prospect here. Oh, good early skills. Now you see, oh, Lightning very nearly got to grips with Gravity, but Gravity gets the first flip in. Thrown through the air. Any damage? The little alien came off the back again, the toy alien. Oh, good self-righting, using the CO2 flipper well. I think Lightning needs to get around the back of Gravity. Has an opportunity, missed the opportunity. All the work being done here, the aggressive work by Gravity. Seeing the Lightning control booth there, pushed onto the arena sidewalk. This for a place in the series semi-finals. Ooh, Lightning just getting away there from a flick of flame. They're locked together. Is the Gravity flipper wedged onto Lightning there? Difficult to see. I think they are. It's wedged between... Oh no, it's free now. And flipped! Gravity flipping Lightning again. And Lightning side flippers, they're unique, can't really cause any damage. Hey, Gravity thought about going after Shunt for a while. I'm not too sure if there's any forward movement from Lightning. Gravity has sent something here, and another great and powerful flip from Gravity. The Flying Dutchman again. Indecisive, clinical. Lightning in major trouble. I'll go one further from my earlier statement. This is not just the best machine out of Holland, but out of the whole continent, I think, to fight in robot wars so far. Lightning. Are they doing again what they did in the previous fight, just conning Gravity, sucking them in. Come in to my parlour, said the spider to the fly. Oh, or are they just finished? Gravity, side by side with Lightning. Gravity watches as Lightning is counted down. Watches and listens. As does Shunt. Oh, and Shunt has paid the price! Lost concentration, Gravity flipped it! House robots won't like it! And Gravity's after Dead Metal, he wants to take them all on! Shunt turned turtle and suffering damage there, look! Bits and pieces tumbling away. Bounce, over it went. Wonder if the shunt cam's been damaged. And again, a massive flip on Lightning. These Gravity boys are confident. He wants to flip them all. Go on, Dead Metal, catch them. Well, it's been double Dutch so far because it's flipped too. Can it achieve the treble? Dead Metal holding on. Gravity spinning, delighted, preening. Winners of this heat and through to the series semi-final from Holland Gravity. And he wants to do it all. It's flipped Dead Metal now. It's taken them all on and beaten them all. Watch out for gravity later in the series. It could go all the way. But for now, Refbot, red card it. Cheeky little blighter.
Absolutely awesome. Roboteers beware. There is a new kid on the block. Lightning struck twice. It couldn't strike a third time. Gravity are through to the series semi-finals.
There's not much I can say.
I know that was really disappointing for us because right from the start, Lightning wasn't quite itself. But then when they flipped us, that was it. No drive. It was getting signal. Flipper was still working, but without drive. Couldn't do anything.
You got to the heat final, guys.
It's brilliant. We're rookies, you know. It's our first year in the championships.
Yeah.
So top 32 robots. I'm really happy with that.
You know, so you know, you're going to go away. You're going to make improvements. I mean, you've got to start somewhere, and what a starting point you've come in at.
Thanks, Craig.
You know, so don't get disheartened. I mean, there's no disgrace getting battered by gravity because I reckon that one could go all the way.
Well, like anti-gravity, isn't it?
Ladies and gentlemen, you've been great sports.
Cheers.
Great roboteers. It's a lovely robot. Let's hear it for Lightning. We are not worthy. We are not worthy.
Wow.
You've seen the reaction you're getting in the pits. People are genuinely scared of you now, aren't they?
Yeah.
Is there anyone you're scared of?
Well,
Because you did have problems getting under him at first. I thought, well, you know, maybe if it's really low to the ground, you won't be able to get under. Is there anyone that scares you?
well, it's got to be really low on all sides of the road, and that's pretty hard. But I'm scared of vertical crushes.
Yeah, vertical crushes, that when they start wrecking you, you know?
Yep.
All right, guys. Well, let's hope you avoid vertical crushes.
Okay.
Because I can't see anyone stopping you. In fact, my money's on you. Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it. One awesome robot, Gravity!